Come with me to culinary school, day 6. It's my birthday today, and I couldn't have picked a more fun lesson. We started with culinary math, which is cool since I like math. Then it was time to get cooking. First, we divided into pairs to make some cheddar biscuits. This was a really simple recipe using flour, salt, butter, milk, and cheese. Then we gave them a quick egg wash and topped with even more cheese. While they baked, we split up to make pancake batter, waffle batter, and the toppings. I started making the apple butter, and Chef came over to make sure I was coring the apples with the least amount of waste. Then I made some waffles and pancakes. Also, look how great my classmate already flips his pancakes. Finally, it was time to enjoy our bounty. Everything was absolutely delicious.